Okay, here's the question. I'm not going to read the whole thing, so if you want to read it, you can pause it now. Okay, here I've summarized the probabilities. Okay, so if a field has jellyfish, it could be sparsely populated or densely populated. Each one is equally likely, so the probability that it's sparsely populated is a half. Probability that it's densely populated is also a half. Okay. The probability that field 1 has jellyfish is 0.6. By the way, I like to use fractions rather than decimals. So 0.6 is 3 over 5. And then the probability that field has no jellyfish is the complement, 2 over 5. Field 2, likewise, here's the probability that there are jellyfish, probability that there are no jellyfish. Okay. So basically what we need to do here is think of all the possible outcomes. Okay. Let's start with 0. How can we have no jellyfish? Okay. Well, if field 1 has no jellyfish and field 2 has no jellyfish, so pretty straightforward. So probability of no jellyfish in field 1, no jellyfish in field 2. Okay. Probabilities just come from here. So 2 over 5 times 1 over 5. Okay, how can we make 100? Okay, there's a couple different ways to make 100. If field 1 has jellyfish and it's sparsely populated, that would be 100. And then field 2 has no jellyfish. That's one possibility. Or means plus in probability. Or field 2 has jellyfish and it's sparsely populated, and field 1 has no jellyfish. Again, numbers just come from here. Okay, so there's basically 2 ways to make 100. How can we make 200? Okay, well, we could have field 1 sparsely populated. Okay, field 1 has jellyfish and it's sparsely populated, and field 2 has jellyfish and that's sparsely populated. That's 100 plus 100. So you have to take all those probabilities, multiply them. Or, that's plus, field 1 has jellyfish and it's densely populated. That'd be 200. And then field 2 has no jellyfish. Okay, that's the second possibility. Or, plus, field 2 has jellyfish and it's densely populated. That's 200. And field 1 has no jellyfish. Okay, again, we just take all these numbers. Okay, because it's independent with the intersection here, we can multiply. Okay, check those numbers. I think they're good, but you should check it. You should try to produce this on your own, by the way, before you, produce it on your own and then check, see if you match mine and see if you catch a mistake of mine. That would be interesting. Okay. Proceeding now, how do we make 300? Okay, we can have 200 in one field and 100 in the other, right? So this is 200 in field 1, and this is 100 in field 2, right? Densely populated is 200 jellyfish, sparsely populated is 100. And then you could switch that around. Field 1 has 100, sparsely populated. Field 2 is 200, densely populated. Okay, again, the probabilities are straight from the table. And then how do we make 400? There's only one way to make 400. Both fields have to have jellyfish, and they both have to be densely populated. Okay. So that's all the possibilities, all the probabilities. And you got to be careful here just to make sure you don't miss something. But anyway, here's your final answer. Yeah. One thing to check on these is to add up your probabilities. This should equal 1. If you add all these up, you should get 1. If you get something less than 1, you missed some possibility. If you get more than 1, then you definitely have a problem because probability can't be bigger than 1. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Yeah, Spongebob and the jellyfish. That's it. It was a nice one.